Hello everyone, my name is Venusian Calliope, and today I am washing my face and doing a basic no makeup routine for me, which means putting on moisturizer, washing my face, and then putting moisturizer on, and then doing my eyebrows. And right now I am washing my face with a dampened moist cloth. Well, moist cloth as in like a paper towel in my case. And I will be using part of that paper towel to dry my face off that's dry. Okay. Now we are putting on the dry part and just making sure that everything will be nice and dry so that I can put on my moisturizer and be okay. Now, usually I recommend washing your face after brushing your teeth, just because sometimes it can be better. And yeah. And now we are putting on the moisturizer. Now this is also like the part where you can also put on SPF, but after you put on the moisturizer. I wasn't going out or being near any large windows today, so I wasn't feeling up to putting SPF on my face, but please put SPF on your face when and if you can, because it's good. It's good. And yeah. I'm putting it on my ears because sometimes I like putting it on my ears. And I also like putting it on my neck too. Just because, it's just generally good to put moisturizer where your skin feels dry. And I mean, I tend to go for more of the less is more approach when it comes to everyday things. And that was my cat knocking her brush down. And I am putting the moisturizer on my elbows because it's basically just lotion. And I'm just like, yeah, lotion is good. And lotion is good. I'm wearing a headband to make sure my hair does not get in my face or in the way. You can also put your hair in a ponytail if it seems necessary to do so. Okay, that was a toy that my cat ran into, and now we are about to go into the eyebrow section. So yeah, I am using an eyebrow pencil. Sorry, I got attacked by my cat Francesca, who is very nice generally. You know what? Let me bring up a picture of my cat Fran while I am doing my eyebrows. But generally, when it comes to my eyebrows, I just do whatever. I actually tend to shave the first front part of my eyebrow because and underneath it, just because I just hate plucking. And I know in theory you're not supposed to shave your eyebrows because that's what happened to Lucille Ball, and she ended up having to paint her eyebrows on for the rest of her life. And yeah, I mean, not that there's anything wrong with that, but I don't want to make a commitment like that when I'm only 28 years old. So yeah. But just do whatever. And when it comes to my eyebrows, I mean, I tend to see them more as sisters or fraternal twins rather than just identical twins, because truth be told, human faces in general, even though they appear to be symmetrical, they aren't actually symmetrical. And even though the goal is symmetry, it's not actually symmetry. Does that make sense? Because sometimes if things are too symmetrical, it can give uncanny valley vibes, at least a little bit. Now, if you're going to extend your eyebrow, I tend to like follow like my brow bone and just like go on there. It's kind of giving a little bit of like 1930s ish like aesthetic a little bit. And I'm just like filling in and just going out and just making sure everything looks okay. And now I'm about to do the same here. And just like drawing it out and being like, yeah, this looks fine. And it did look fine. And yeah. And now I sometimes actually use like cotton swabs for like that, but I didn't do that today because I just didn't feel like that. And now I'm just like making sure everything is okay and symmetrical. Well, not that symmetrical, but at least it looks right. It's about like following your heart and trusting your gut when it comes to like aesthetics. And just like, you know, it's just doing what you like. And yes, I do feel like brows do make like statements about the face. Does that make sense? And I'm just like focused over here. But I mean, lighting and eyebrows are kind of similar, and I'll be showing up some pictures later about like, you know, lighting and stuff, like different colored lights, angled lights, stuff like that, and how things can look different. And now we are about to maybe finish. Are we getting there? Oh, now I am putting a lip gloss on. Well, a lip balm on actually, and I'm just like, yeah, this is fine. You gotta also like make sure to get like lip products that have like SPF on them. And now let us show these pictures. But yeah, different colored lights from different angles, and even like adding like another light to like things can like enhance like pictures and stuff, and just, you know, add to things. And they can like convey mood and stuff, and I'm just like going on a bit of a tangent right now, but like, you know, I just think that like things are great. And yeah, if you like this video, thank you so much. And if you're already subscribed, ring that bell for me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!